This is my Beyonce human hair wig, pulled up in a ponytail. Who would have thought? But I want you to look at this. I'm not wearing any glue. I'm wearing a wig grip, one of those 2/3 of your hair wig grip. Has a band on the back, a jewelry type band, and this has a clip. So I just slid the clip underneath that. And look how natural that looks. Now I did this in 2 ponies. I just pulled half up into a pony, pulled the bottom part up into that, and then did another one of these little bands, and that's it. So let's do a 360. As you can see here, there's no glue anywhere on this, so it really fits snug. Remember, these come in small, medium, and large, and different lengths. Mine is a 16-inch length. And of course, now I'm going to be able to do a really great messy bun. And so I can have that look too. So a lot of versatility with this. And because of this hairline and human hair and the way they did the back of it, it's just perfect. I love it.